Hi, today we are going to see how to use Google Classroom. First of all, go to your browser. In the search bar, type classroom.google.com. From here, you can create a class or join a class. And from here, also you can join or create a class. If you want to create a class, then click on Create Class. Then I have read the terms and condition. And click on Continue. After that, you have to give your class name. I am giving, and section, which section is 1, and which subject, English, and then room, and create. Here your class has been created. Then you can customize your class, and you can see the classwork, create classwork and class drive folder. You can see the people, and you can also invite people, and you can see from here you can view and manage grades. So in the stream, in the left side you will see a class code. If you want to share your classroom, then give the class code or give class invite link. If you want to join a class, then click on Join Class and enter the class code. Then click on Join. Then your class will be opened. Here you can see the classwork and people. So that's all about Google Classroom. If you like this video, give the thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching the video.